Uh-oh. 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 Can you see that? Can you tell what color that is? Gotta come back for that. You're not ready for that one. Are here. My two Signature Red Powerwalls, they are here right now. They are getting installed. Let them tell it. I guess I'm the second person. That one right there, that one's supposed to be signed by the man himself, Mr. Elon Musk. The other one is a red version that is, I guess it's just red without the signature. So either way, I got two. We'll be back in a minute. Give y'all a quick update. This is just a quick sneak peek, quick upload to let y'all know that they are here. Stay tuned for the I.T.S YouTube channel. Let's see. Nope, you can't see it yet. You gotta come back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see it. Let me know what you want to see. But they're there. I've seen them. And they are nice. You want to see the finished product? Come back. Take a little bit of time. Want to make sure I edit it right. But Signature Red Powerwall 2.0s are here. First one's on the West Coast. And I got two of them. Can't beat that.